Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So I've been wanting to do this video for a week because in the last 1 week I've been getting a lot of messages, and even I got a call from my bank manager asking like, what do I do for the election? Should I buy some stocks, or should I do something in the Nifty, or this happens because people have this fear on missing out mentality during days like this election day, or any other important D days. This is when you shouldn't do anything, in my opinion, because normally whatever is portrayed in the media or whatever is being discussed in the social media, it never turns out the way they portray it. Because I still remember the last US election when they said if Biden is elected, the stock market will go down. But after the election results, for 3 or 4 months, it went up. And then, because of all the economic disasters, economic policies he came up with, the stock market fell down for a couple of years, which is true. But they said if Biden is elected, the stock market would go down immediately, which didn't happen. And I have many instances like that happening even in the Indian elections, where when BJP won in UP or a Bihar election, they said the market will go up, but on that specific day, Nifty fell down. I don't remember the exact date, but you can go back and check the election days of either Bihar or UP, okay? Because it was considered to be a very important election for BJP, right? So what is the current situation? So people are basically saying that if BJP wins, the stock market will go up. But in my opinion, it has been going up already for quite some time. So yes, it can go up. Only I feel that if BJP wins more than 400 seats or something like that, if there has to be a surprise for the market, because market is already discounting the fact that BJP is winning. Okay, so if it wins like 300 or 320 or 340 seats, it's just a normal news for the market, and it has already been discounted. So you will not see any amazing moves, in my opinion, as far as I've seen in the past. So maybe if BJP wins more than around 400 or 380 or even more than that, that could be a surprise for the market, and that could be a bullish factor. Okay, other than that, I don't think you have to trade, in my opinion. Usually you just have to think on a yearly basis, right? So mostly most people feel that they have to trade on that specific day, otherwise they are missing out on something big earning potential. No, your earning potential is, it's just your average trade on any given day or any given week. So you don't have to focus so much on the election. You can skip and still do better on a yearly basis. So that is very important. And do not fall for this FOMO. If people make money, so be it, and there will be a lot of people who will lose money in this election day. I can guarantee you that, because it's because of the gambling mindset. They feel the need to trade, and if you are a professional trader and if you are a very serious trader, trade based on what you see, which is completely fine. If you find a very a small risk setup, you can definitely go and take up the trade. That is not wrong, but don't trade just because the election is there. Let me put some money. If it goes up, it's fine. If it goes down, it's fine. No, don't have that mentality, because you will not be successful. You just have to be neutral on every day. And this is a very important psychology to have if you ever want to become a successful trader. Don't jump into the wagon and as I said, just don't jump into the wagon, and don't be a part of the trap, and just make sure to trade based on what you see. Maybe just throw in like 3,000 or 5,000. If you have a 1 lakh capital, you can allocate small amount and see if it works out, but don't invest a lot, like 50% or 60%, and don't lose money. And this technique of investing 3% or 4% would help you, and you don't feel sidelined, or you don't feel like missing out anything. So if you make money, good. If you don't make money, also good. So that would be all. See you soon in another video. Thank you so much, and make sure to like this video and comment if you have